What I'm going to talk today is about the difference in grading as it occurs in Europe and as it occurs in America. In America now, coins are graded independently and they are then encapsulated in plastic. What normally happens is three people sit together in one of these grading companies, and if they have a unanimous call on a particular coin, it is graded as that and then is encapsulated in plastic. The grading system they have is a point system 1 to 70, 70 being the nicest coin possible. In actual fact, the grade of 70 or 69 is very rarely achieved because the coin has to be absolutely perfect, which invariably there's some small flaw you can always find, so but not often achieved. But 1 to 70 is the range. In Europe, it's slightly different because the American coins start in the late 18th century, so we're talking about machine-made coins, milled coins. In Europe, coins go back much further. They go back to 600 BC, when we were really talking about just a small ingot that has a hallmark on. So the coins are never round, which makes it very difficult to encapsulate in plastic. And also they're usually 3 to 4 times as thick. The other big difference is that they were hand struck, and this means that you have an enormous variance in quality of production. For instance, you might have a coin that is very well struck and is quite worn, opposed to a coin which is actually mint condition but badly struck. But the former might be the nicer one to have, yet theoretically it is the worst grade. So there is much more eye appeal involved in the European system. With the American grading system, it allows one to commoditize the coin because you can quote a coin, its denomination, its date, and its grading number, and you can quote it with a buy sell on it. You can't do that with the European system because ours are much more vague. So the big difference is with the American grading system, you can always quote a coin and get a buy sell on it because you can provide the date, the denomination, and the grade. You can't do that with the European system. You actually have to see the coin as it is. Now, the one thing that's changing is that it's much more easy to send photographs over the internet. The one nice thing about the European system is you can actually hold the coin, and it's quite nice to be able to look at a coin in the flesh when it's nearly 3,000 years old, as the particular coin that I'm holding.